G'day and welcome back to Rusty Inspirations. Who have we got here?
Yeah, g'day guys, how are we?
Good old Dan from the Green and Gold Life. He's going to have a crack at mowing the Santana after a light groom, and we'll see how we get on.
You beauty. Let's get into it.
Let's do it. It's all good. I do that all the time. Not bad. Not bad for the first time.
Yeah, we dug a bit of a canyon over here though.
Are we going to show that or?
Yeah, why not? Have a look at this. Oh boy.
See, it's called an edger, Dan. You don't get in the middle of the lawn with it.
Well, we're 15 to 20 nil out there, I think.
That's all right.
So we'll just push a bit of that back.
No, it's, like I said, hey, they're not the best to use, eh?
Yeah, visibility is low and you're sort of just going by when you touch the concrete, eh?
I generally go by noise.
Yep.
Just, you know, if you can hear a little bit of concrete, you know you're on the edge.
Sorry, man.
I'm not stressed, bro. It's lawn, it grows back.
So what are we going to blow that onto the lawn?
Whatever, I might just sweep it up. There's a lot there.
Photographic evidence, mate.
Put
that up on social media. Never get this guy around to edge your lawn again.
No, it's good. That's a good first shot, man. They're not the easiest to use, eh? They're definitely not easy to use.
Yeah, you're governed by like the sound of it, really, aren't you? Like you're just hearing the tick on the pavers or on the bricks and
Purely winging it.
yeah, driving like a blind man going by the braille.
What's it? Time for a groom now.
Yeah,
Let's do it. Dan's just flicked over it once with the groomer, and I think we both agree that probably go down a little bit more.
Yeah, I reckon we got a bit of scope to get down a little bit further. So on this side here, we're pretty thick. We don't. Well, the idea with grooming is not to hit the soil profile, but I think we're still far enough away from the soil profile we can probably afford a little bit more.
For sure. Yep. And I don't want to get too carried away with it at this point in time because got the girls' birthday parties coming up shortly, and I would like it to be looking nice for there, you know.
Yeah.
So I'll get stuck into it after that, you know. So I reckon we'll drop it down probably one turn, 1.5 maybe, and have another crack on diagonals.
Beauty. deal here. He's slick, mate. He's good. So we dropped it down just a little bit, what, a turn? Yeah, turn and a half, and the clipping yield is just so much more. So let's jump down there and have a look at that.
Yeah, so what we did is Dan started running that way from that end, and then I've come back and gone the opposite direction, well, the same direction, but the opposite, what would you say?
Same orientation, opposite direction.
Correct, yeah. And it definitely pulled a lot more off, didn't it?
Yeah, so clipping yield, let's have a look at that.
Fair bit of sand in there, you can feel just from the weight of it as well.
Yeah, look, I pride myself on stripes, but I don't know about that one, man. She's not straight.
I think you've done pretty good considering, especially that little cock up at the start there.
You got it back. Mid-mode conference we had that.
Yeah. Yep. No, I reckon it's time for you to go. Yeah, no, you've done good. Done really well. The Cooch definitely doesn't stripe up like the kayak.
No.
Never does.
No.
Yeah. When it's the best stripes you get out of it is like fresh after Reno.
Yeah.
And then after that, well,
yeah,
you can do it for some reason. So that's it, all done. I think we'll wrap it up there. The lawn has come up an absolute treat. What do you reckon, Dan?
Yeah, man, looks great. So we haven't really scalped anything. Maybe a little bit out the front, but
minimal, hey?
Minimal, man.
Yep.
Minimal.
Achieved exactly what we set out to do. I'm wrapped. It's going to look good in a few days. Ready for the girl's birthday, so sweet. Yeah, absolutely perfect.
Yep.
I reckon you kept me on track because I would have got carried away. I would have went down another height or two. So, yeah, I'm glad Dan was here to
naughty boy.
Cheers, Dan.
No, thanks for having me up here, man.
Pleasure having you here, anytime. Yep.
Yeah.
I look forward to getting back to your joint someday.
Yeah, always welcome.
Yeah, bloody oath. If you like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. And like and subscribe Dan's if you haven't already. Go and check him out. Bloody absolute legend. Love watching his content. And yeah,
No worries.
we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, legends.
Cheers, legends.